Kaylee Griffin. Welcome to another episode of GBrain TV. Imagine having Superman in your Android phone. No, it won't be able to make you leap tall buildings in a single bound, but it will allow you to see inside concrete and drywall to find out if there is danger lurking. I'm talking about the Walabot DIY. It's a small stud finder produced by Wire Imaging that allows you to save time, money, and prevent disasters like hitting a water pipe or cutting into an electrical wire inside a home. The device is the same size as a smartphone and easily attaches to it by a gel pad magnet supplied in the box and placed on the back of your Android phone. The device has the capability to see 4 inches deep behind a drywall or concrete. It can detect normal things which you would expect behind a wall, like studs, wiring, and pipes. And get this, the device can also help you see movement from little unwanted guests like rodents if they happen to be visiting. You don't have to rely on a device that makes a beeping noise when it senses an object. With the Walabot, you can actually see what's behind the wall. It'll let you know if it's a wooden or metal stud, and if there is movement behind the wall, the Walabot will detect it. Say you want to hang a TV or large picture and you need to drill a hole in the wall. The Walabot is a must. You don't need to call a professional, which will save you a ton of money. This device is really easy to use. Set to pan mode to find out the distance between the studs and get a panoramic view of a full wall line. Then you can switch to image mode to see a visual image which is actually in the wall. If you put in expert mode, you can get a little closer look at the stud. This is because expert mode offers better location in more detail. You can see things like curves in the pipes and wires, as well as the intersection between 2 objects. It can also detect the movement of objects. Using the Walabot, you can check the wall so you don't hit a pipe, stud, or electrical wire. Then it's time to drill. Hold the drill firmly and perpendicular to the ground, pull the trigger, and keep the drill squarely on the target. It's that simple. The Walabot should be in any toolbox for general contractors, electricians, plumbers, handymen, or even a beginning DIYer of the house. And it is versatile, and I mean really versatile. And there's a new case to make sure your Walabot is protected. It fits comfortably in a toolbox and comes with an elastic strap to secure the Walabot and mesh pockets for cables and other accessories. It's also suitable for travel and storage of in-ear headphones, Bluetooth earphones, lenses, and other small devices. But for renovation, remodeling, or just hanging a picture, the Walabot is a must. It truly is one amazing device. The Walabot retails for around $64.99 in the US and is well worth the investment. The new case costs only $29.99 in the US. I'm Kaylee Griffin for GBrain TV.